It shows it now. So the current position is a 2.5 covered call, and it's worth $50 right now, right? I received 15, but now it's worth $50. If I want to pick a new position over here, pick a new position over here to put in for your rolling. Maybe I can just pick it from here. I went out a week. Now you could just stay at the same place where you were. This takes you out a week. This is already out a week. And then it says, okay, if I roll to the 3 strike, because right now I have the 2.5 strike. If I roll to the 3 strike, I'm going to receive $33, right? So I currently with 050 on this covered call I currently have. If I roll to this new position, I'm going to take in $33 for the 3 strike. Time change is 7 days. The net debit's going to cost me $17 to make this roll, right? Which is currently the price of EOSE is at 304. In the pre-market, it's up above $3. But that's what this shows you, is that it shows you what's actually happening in the rolling process versus you picking and whatever. It's showing you exactly what's going on. If I roll it to 3.5, it's going to cost me $32. Okay, if I decide I want to roll to another, roll out for 2 weeks to the 3 strike, I'm going to collect $38. It's going to cost me $12 to roll out for 2 weeks. Or if I want to go higher, it's going to cost me $30. So this gives you an assessment of actually seeing what the roll is going to cost you or gain you. Of course, if I keep it at 2.5, look at this. This is crazy. If I keep it at 2.5, I would collect $275. If I roll it out 2 weeks at the strike I currently have, I'm going to take in 200 and some change. That is enticing. You're like, well, this is where I hear Sandra now saying, don't be greedy. Because roll out 2 weeks and keep my current strike, they'll give me 200 and something dollars. So then if I lose my 250, if I lose it for 250 in 2 weeks, I've still made more money than I paid for the strike, for the stock. So I just like the way Robinhood lays it out. Well, hey, everybody. I wanted to come and to share what I believe is an incredible opportunity for those who are looking to learn how to trade options. And you need a little more guidance, a little more support as we move forward. It's the Options 411 live coaching and training. It's about 4 week. It's a 4-week program. It includes several sessions a week that will get you up and running. So what's included? First, we're going to help you get your accounts open and set up the right way for trading options. Many of you already have accounts open, but you may not have them set up, or you may not be at the right level to trade options the way you'd want to trade options. We're going to help you get that situated. Then once you have your platforms, we're going to help you find your way around those platforms. You need to know which buttons to push, what's going to do this, what's going to do that. Many times I find that the platforms do a lot more than we know how to do, and you just want to be able to utilize what you have. We also want to teach and understand the language of options. Options is an entirely new education, an entirely new world for many of us, and new educations always come with new terminology. We need to learn the words so that we'll know what stuff means when they're talking about in the money and out of the money and all those other things, strike prices. You need to know what all that stuff means. We also will teach you how to chart support and resistance zones. Everything in stop trading comes down to those charts. People use indicators. I'm a fan of indicators, but all of those indicators are based on price action that's previously happened, right? So you want to learn how to chart the support and resistance zone so you can get a good understanding of where the price may go and may not go. All right. We also then will teach you all the option selling strategies, how to sell puts, how to sell covered calls, how to do vertical credit spreads, how to short so you can make money when stock prices are going up and when stock prices are going down, right? Then we're going to teach you how to create your own trading plan for profits. I have found that people are different personalities. Some are very aggressive traders, others are a lot more conservative traders. You need a trading plan that's going to fit your style, right? So we'll help you create a trading plan that works for you so you can make your profits every week. And as a bonus, you're going to have access to the Educator to Trader membership. Our membership includes morning calls. We have coaching calls every other Saturday. We have a very supportive community that always supports and helps each other trade. It's just a good community to have somebody basically doing what you do, going the same way you're going, right? All of the stuff I just mentioned, that's included. Getting your accounts opened up, finding your way around your platform, getting the language and the lingo, learning how to chart, learning the seller strategies for profits every week, creating your own trading plan, and having access to the E2T membership. All that is included for $297 4-week live options coaching. It's regularly priced at $997. If you want to register, you can enroll at educator2trader.com. You can use that QR code if you like. I really would hope to see you there. We're going to start on Wednesday, June the 14th, and we're going to run all the way till July the 5th, where we will have a graduation. Wah, 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 da, da, da. Yeah, we'll have graduation on July 5th. I was trying to think of what was the graduation song, but it won't come to mind. Alrighty, so educator2trader.com if you want to get registered. I hope to see you there. Real quick, I just wanted to come on. This is Arlissa, Educator to Trader. Wanted to come on and tell you and ask you, I guess, to like and subscribe to the channel. If you like the content that I create and I'm, posting regularly, then go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss anything and you can be a part of all that we're doing here. I'm a coach to sellers. I'm an option sellers coach. If that's a vein that you don't know anything about or you want to know more about, then go ahead, subscribe, and check us out all the time. All right. Thank y'all. I appreciate it.